Okay, so I ordered a gaming mouse pad. It's a large gaming mouse pad, and I want to see how it does. So let's have a quick look at that. Again, this is my little Swiss here that I regularly use to unbox items. So we've got here a good option. So in terms of sizing, you're looking at close to 900 by 400 millimeters, and there's a design on this one which is like the world map. So let's have a look at it and let's roll it out. Oh wow. Okay, so now this, if I put it up the right way, okay, the quality of the print looks quite nice. Really, okay, wow, that does feel nice. You can see already how my desk has improved in appearance, because now you're not seeing the wood, you're actually seeing. So how does it stick to the, okay, so in terms of size, I might take it to my standing desk and show you how wide it is, because that will help you see the full. But yeah, I do find that quite pleasing to touch. So let me take it to my standing desk and show you this there. Notice I have so you notice I bought a number of things today. I've got a headset here as well, which I'm going to check out. So here's the actual mat, and now you can see a true size of it here. So that's how it feels. So it's got a nice length to it, and you had a wider desk, it'll actually do very well for you there as well. So here it is there. Show you the right way up. It's got a slight smell to it. It smells a bit chemically, but overall it seems like a nice option. I've got my gaming headset as well that I'm looking at today. In addition to that, we also have the keyboard, and that's the gaming keyboard. There's a good deal on at the moment on that, so you can check that out as well. And this one's quite good because you can actually put your mobile phone in there. It's got a mobile phone holder. So yeah, that gives you an idea of the 3 items I've got there to get a gaming setup. I've got a mouse as well.